Hello again, Tom from EveryStepPhysics.com and EveryStepCalculus.com. Step-by-step programs for solving your problems in calculus and physics. In this case, it's a physics problem. You can read it on the screen here. I always suggest in physics problems to take what's given and put off to the side of your paper. For instance, put a theta sign, angle sign, and put 5.5 degrees. And put mass m equals 70 kilograms. And then distance would be 270 meters here. So then when you go to my menus, you buy my programs course, get the physics in here in the home screen, and then press enter. And up comes a menu. Now this menu is very long, so I'm at work here to save time, because that's what it's asking for, is the work done by gravity. So we go to work and we press enter, then we look for the next menu is always what's given generally, you know. Now here's against gravity. You can go there, or we can actually look for the variables that are given. So here's mass, distance, and theta. Okay. Choose that. And here's the formula for it, work mgd times sine of theta. Notice on a bicycle when it's going down a ramp like this, let's say it's going down this angle here. This is 5.5 degrees here. This is cosine, which is the adjacent side of a right triangle, right? And they're asking for gravity. Gravity is always down. Gravity pulls completely straight down. It does not pull down on an angle. It doesn't go along the ground. It comes straight down. So that's, and this side would be the opposite side, so that's where the sine comes from, sine of theta. So these are pretty straightforward and easy if you can memorize this stuff. We enter the mass, we push alpha first in my programs to get to the entry lines here, and we're going to put mass is 70 kilograms. 70. And number 2 is kilograms. And then the distance or length is 270 meters. We're going to press alpha again, alpha 270. Number 4 meters. I would show you how to do the conversions if they do that. They might put centimeters or something. I'll show you how to convert it. Everything's mass. Everything's converted to kilograms and meters. And then we're going to enter the angle. Angle is 5.5 degrees. Alpha 5.5 degrees. And I always show you what you've entered so you can change it in case you made a mistake. I say it's okay. And here's the answer. Here we're going to mass times the gravity times the distance times the sine of theta. Sorry, it's off the screen a little bit. And then on your paper you write this stuff, and so you show how you're calculating. You got 70 for math, 9.81 for meters, or for gravity, 270 meters for distance, and then the 0.8958 for the sine of 5.5 degrees. That's the opposite side value, okay? Work is 17,771 joules. Pretty neat, huh? EveryStepPhysics.com. Go to my site, buy my programs, and have a good time passing physics. Otherwise, study for hours, and of course with my programs in the calculator here, you'll have them forever. Never forget how to do these things. And pretty helpful. So good luck in your programs and your classes, okay? Have a good one.